everyone, in today's video we'll learn how to use the Wevideo video editor. So this is a new project I started in Wevideo, so without any further ado, let's get right into it. So this is your media, anything you import. So in today's video I'm going to be importing one of my old videos. One no green sharks, this one. So now that I imported it, I could click and drag and put it into the video section.
Even if you
So this is it in the video section, and you could see this like over here. This is how you drag and see the video in different times. And let's just go with very simple features first. So this is how you drag your like timestamp, like this thing, and you see this tiny little scissors. That is how you split your video. And if you've done a mistake, like you just want to go back, you could click on this, which is undo last action. By the way, this system is not completely free. You'll have to pay like a certain amount of money to use it, so I'm not so sure how much, but yeah. And you'll have the option to add new video or audio tracks. So here you could click on audio track or video and text, and I'm just gonna add I'm not gonna add any track, but if you click here you could rename your track. So I'm just gonna call this main text. It's always good to be organized when you video edit. I'm going to name this main video, and I'm going to name this main music. So now that we organized our tracks, let's go to the different features. So this is stock footage from Wevideo itself, and you can see like millions of different videos that you could use into your video. Like I could search here anything I want. I could search space shuttle, and there's some videos that I could just click and drag into my video, right? And now you also have stock images. I find that there's not as much stock images as stock videos, so well, that's how it is. And you have stock audio. So this is like music, and you could click and drag them to your main music tab here, and you could shorten them, you could elongate them, you could also cut them. You could split it, and you can move this around if you like to do that. Covered audio. Let's go to text. So text is a really important feature. Like, you may remember this video, like this is my sharks video, and this is how I added text. So what you'll do is that you're gonna, like, for captions, you can see all of different options here, and if you like this one, let's say I like this one, right? We could click and drag it and put it into our main text area. So we could pick the area where we like it, and it would like. So let's say I would like this text to be in the start. And once you double click it, or triple click, it will open up this properties tab. So this is where you could edit what it says. So I'm going to name it A&A videos. And then I'm going to put please like and subscribe. So that's how it is, and you could change its color to whatever you'd like, because there's different colors with it. And over here you could transform it, you could rotate it, you could, I'm gonna put it back to normal, you could make it move to other sides. Wait, let me put back how it was. What did I do? Alright. And you could scale it up or down to your liking. And you could also set its position by just like these X and Y coordinates onto the screen. So once you're happy, I'm just going to cancel because I didn't like what I done. You could click on that. you can click on done. So now that we know how to use text, there's a lot of different types of text that you could use. There's titles, and when you see motion on the top right corner, that means that it moves, right? So if I play the video, let me mute my audio. If I play the video, look, you're gonna see that it moves to show the text. So that's what it means by motion. And if you could go to the top and see that this doesn't have motion. So if I click and drag it, look, if I turn on the video, look, it's just gonna pop up there without any without anything. So that's how you use text in Wevideo. And now let's go to transitions. So to use a transition, you could hover over it and it will show you example footage of how it works. So once you pick one that you like, there's this pedestal one. I think I like this one. That one looks cool in my opinion. So I think I'm going to use this one. So between two tracks, so let me cut it. So I have two tracks here. I can move this one away. You could click and drag it and put it in the middle. So once it becomes green, that means that you're able to use it. And when you unclick, here it is. So look. So over here, and you'll see it moves like that. So you could use this between different tracks to transition it to another video, so it looks nice in the transition. But I don't like that, so I don't use that in this video, so I'm gonna keep it like that. You have a lot of different types, like bubble pattern, falling grid, and you have pages. It's really good. And you have extras. So now this extras function, you could put overlays, and where you'll drag them, you'll put them in the main text area, or you could create another tab and put main effects, right? So if I put this here, you'll see that in this video tab, wait, let me make this video bigger. You'll see it's snowing, right? So that's what the effect does. So there's many different effects. You have this hard effect. It might be very useful in some video. And you have all these different effects that you could use into your video. And then now this is for backgrounds. Like if you have a green screen behind you, you could use these backgrounds to not show what's behind you, and you could put this background so it looks nice. So you have a lot of different types of backgrounds, like this, a video one, this one. You have a lot of different options to choose from. And yeah, that's basically all these functions. So now let's learn how you could play around with this. So over here you could see that you could delete this track, you can mute the track, and you could hide the levels. So to move it, let's say if you want this main video to be in front of the main text, you could move up, and then it's going to come here. If you don't like that, move down. Also, you would always like your text and effects to be on the top so that it will go over this video. If I have wait, let me add some text. Wait, where's text? So this is this text, right? So I'm running. Now you can see the text, but if I move this up, look, you won't be able to see a text because it's under the main video. So you always have to keep that in mind when making your video. And also, when you do effects, I recommend that if you like to make another video or text one, I'm just going to put this main effects, add track. So it goes to the top, and when you add these extras, you put them in this track so that it could also go over the text, so it looks nicer instead of having to stop the text. So I recommend doing that. Wait, delete track. And that's basically all the main features, but there's one main feature that's really important. So in this videos tab, you could type in green screen. So this is a very, very cool feature that Wevideo offers, right? So let me add, alright, let me do this. I'm going to rename this effects. And I'm going to take, let's say you have all these different ones. I like this computer one. Maybe I could, yeah, I'm just going to take this laptop screen. Alright. So, you could take this. So let's go on this, like, edit. You could go on these key coloring. You take this, like, I don't know what you call this thing, and you'll click it there. So now, so once you take this, you go to the video and you click it there, this video that I have it in the background will go into the screen, right? So what you'll do is you go to the other video, so you click on save changes, go to this video, and then you could make it better. So let me go to the edit. So now I could change it and make it look like it's going in the screen. So this is a really cool feature that Wevideo offers. So let me try to make it look perfect. Let me go. I'm just gonna put it like this. Alright. So if I run this video right now, look. It's gonna look like it's happening right in the screen. Right? So it looks like the video is happening right in the screen. This man does a good thing. And I can save the changes if I like that. So that's the green screen feature. There's a lot of different ones. Like, there's this bird one. Maybe you could put like, look. So just to show you again, you go to this function, you click on this, and you click on that. And then you have that, right? There's the pigeon, save changes, and then for here, I recommend to, wait, alright, I'm going to cut it here, and then I'm going to edit on the other video. Oh wait, cancel, let me move this to here. Let me edit on the other video. Oh. Wait, come on. Okay, I'm going to click on that edit button, and then I'm going to go to this feature, and then I'm going to put this back to full for this pigeon. So it looks like the pigeon is like, it's like in the picture, right? So if I run it, look, if I run it, it's really cool. It looks like the pigeon is like right inside the video. So this is a really cool feature that Wevideo offers. So what you'll have to type into the video tab is green screen, and there's a lot of different types that you could do. I like this one. Maybe you could put your face inside and make it look like you're skydiving, but it's a really cool feature that you have in Wevideo. So yeah, that's about it for Wevideo, and that's basically all the features they have. Also, if you like to, one last thing, if you like to change your video title, you click on that, and you could change it. I'm just gonna name it to Shark Test. And yeah, that's done. So let's say you like this video. So let's say I like this video. I like how it is. And let's say I like how the screen is. You'll click on finish. And with finish, you could select HD, and that I always like sending it to my drive, and then you click on export. And after you click on export, it's going to take like some time, and then you have the option to download it, but I'm not going to wait for that long. And then I'm just going to go back to other. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something about Wevideo, and please like and subscribe if you like it, and I'll see you next time.